Hi everyone, welcome back to the Angular 10 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about module. In Angular, a module is a mechanism to group components, directives, pipes, and services that are related in such a way that can be combined with other modules to create an application. Alright, so let's see how we can create a module in Angular 10. So switch to the command prompt and here just type a command for creating new module. So just type here a command which is ng a space g for generate, a space m for module, a space module name. Let's say module name is auth. Okay, now press enter. Okay, module has been created. Let's see this module. So switch to the project and just go inside the src directory and open app directory, and you can see here the auth. Okay, inside this auth folder you can see here the auth.module.ts file. Okay, just open this auth.module.ts file, and here you can see the ng module. Okay, which is used to define the Angular module, and these are the properties of module. Okay, all right, now let's create some component inside this auth module. Okay, so switch to the command prompt and here just write a command for creating new component. So let's see ng space g space c for component, and type here the module name which is auth slash component name. Okay, component name is, let's say, login. Okay, now press enter. Alright, login component has been created and also updated inside the auth.module.ts file. Alright, now just create one more component. So let's say component name is, just type here a command ng a space g a space c a space auth slash component name. Let's say component name is sign up. Okay, now press enter. Alright, both components login and sign up has been created. So switch to the project and here inside the auth.module.ts file you can see here both the component login component and sign up component. Okay, both are imported inside this file. All right, now inside the ng module add one more property which is export. So just write here, just add here the comma and create a property exports colon, create an array, and inside this array just write this component login component and sign up component. So just write here first login component comma sign up component, this one. Okay, all right, now just go inside the login directory and here just open login.component.html file, and I'm just going to type here a text inside the h1 tag which is login component. Okay, all right, now save the file and just open sign up and then sign up component.html file, and here in h1 tag just write here sign up component. Okay, now save the file. Now add this auth module.ts file inside the app module. Okay, so just open app module.ts file, and here first of all import the auth module. So just write here import auth module from just pass here the path of this auth module, which is auth and then this file. Okay, so just write here dot slash auth slash auth dot module. Okay, now add this auth module to the imports array. So just write here comma and just paste auth module. All right, now save the file, and now go to the uh, app component.html, and here just add the login selector. So you can see here login component.ts file, and just inside you can see here selector app-login. Okay, so just copy this selector, and inside the app.component.html file just add here this tag. Okay, now save the file, and let's check see the this login component. So switch to the browser and just open localhost 4200 port, and now it's compiled successfully, and you can see here the login component. Okay, this is the extra tag. Okay, inside the login component dot html login dot, just remove this. Okay, now save the file, compiled, and you can see here the login component. Okay, in the similar way just add here inside the app.component.html file add the sign up component. So just write here app dash sign up. Okay, this is the sign up selector. You can see here inside the sign up.component.ts file you can see here the app dash sign up selector. Okay, now save the file and switch to the browser. Okay, it's compiled successfully, and you can see here the sign up component. Okay, so in this way you can create module in Angular 10. So that's all about Angular 10 module. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.